Hey guys, welcome back. Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have the SpyderLugz colored lug nut covers for the Can-Am Spyder. SpyderLugz are a colored, durable vinyl lug nut cover that have been designed specifically for the Can-Am Spyder and simply slip on over your factory lug nuts. So if you don't feel like forking over the cash for an entirely new set of lugs, a 6-pack of SpyderLugz might be right up your alley. They not only add a pop of color to your wheels, but hide scratched and rusty lugs, provide protection from corrosion, and are made right here in the good old US of A. Thanks for watching, and if you feel these SpyderLugz are right for you, head on over to Slingmods.com today and grab a set for yourself. And be sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest mods for the Can-Am Spyder. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.